If you want to move data from your USB flash drive to Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra or the other way around, then in this case, once you connect your flash drive, we can go to the My Files app that we have in the Samsung folder in App Drawer. Now, once you open this file manager, then of course in here we can decide if you want to transfer something from the phone to the USB device or the other way around. If you want to transfer something from your phone to the USB device, you can choose these categories that we have in here, or you can just go to the internal storage if you're looking for something in here. In case you want to find all folders, you have to tap on Essentials and switch to All. Now, in here we should be able to go through all of these folders that we have our files, but actually in my case I'm just gonna use these categories, which is slightly simpler to use. Now in here, if I want to transfer something from the phone to the USB storage, I just can press and hold my finger on this file in order to select it. Of course I can select more files if I want to. Then we're gonna choose the move option at the bottom of the screen. In here we need to switch from the internal storage to the USB storage, since I'm transferring from the phone to the USB storage. And then I need to decide where it should be placed. So in my case I'm just gonna choose this music folder over here, and I can decide to move here. By the way, here you can also create a new folder inside a folder if you want to. Once it is moved, you should be able to have that file on the USB storage. There we go. And if I want to transfer something from the USB flash drive to the phone, it is pretty similar, but of course, instead of going through these categories or the internal storage, you want to go to the USB storage instead, naturally. Now in here we need to simply find whatever we want to transfer, and the rest is pretty much the same. Select the file, choose Move, and then make sure that the internal storage is selected, and decide where you want to save it. So let's say I'm gonna go to Music again, and I'm gonna just save it in this place. Actually, yeah, there we go. So that's pretty much it. This is how it looks like. Leave a like and subscribe.